Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you can join us. Before we get started, just want to remind you that our flowers are available on Amazon. We have 4 beautiful color realistic roses that are just for you and just to use in our projects. Don't forget to go down to the description and get your free ebook with over a dozen projects using our very own flowers. We want to thank you for those of you who've already checked us out and have sent us such wonderful, encouraging news about how much you love them. We just are glad that you love them as much as we do. So let's get ready for this week's project. We have a request from a community member, and her name is Shantae. And she writes, "Hello, hi Shantae. I'm getting married soon and I am planning to do as much as possible on my own. I found vases like this over a year ago and ordered them. To my surprise, my order was canceled and I cannot find them anywhere else. Can you please help me recreate vases like this? My colors are shades of pink with hydrangeas and peonies. Can you please help?" Absolutely, Shantae. I am so sad that you found these type of vases and they were canceled and just discontinued, but that does happen, unfortunately. These centerpieces, just as they are, cost well over $700 a piece. So we're going to create it for a fraction of that cost. I'm so excited to show you this week's episode, Pearls and Pink Blossoms Wedding Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, so let's create the foundation for this project. We're going to use a 24-inch trumpet vase, an 8-inch styrofoam disc, an 8-inch wooden cutout to create the base for it. So the wooden cutout just adds that extra support. That's all it's there for. It's not decorative, it's just for support. We're going to hot glue our 8-inch disc right on top of it, and then that is where our glass vase will set on for our centerpiece. On the top of our vase, we're going to go ahead and hot glue a 6-inch styrofoam disc. This is where we will then attach our half dome styrofoam ball onto it with some floral pins. Now, if you cannot find a 6-inch half styrofoam dome, it's very simple. Just get a 6-inch styrofoam ball and cut it in half. And guess what? You can create 2 centerpieces with 1 styrofoam ball. To camouflage the styrofoam underneath the vase, I'm going to go ahead and loosely roll up some pearl garland and just set it underneath. This way people won't see the mystery behind your centerpiece. To create that special detail that's in the inspiration picture, we're going to attach pearl garland to the foam, creating a layer of pearls around the glass trumpet vase. It's very simple. So we're going to cut our strands probably right between 24 inches and 28 inches long, giving yourself plenty of room to maneuver the pearl garland the way you would like it. And we're attaching it to the foam using floral pins. Now that we have attached it to the top of our centerpiece, we're going to attach it also to the bottom using our floral pins. Notice that I'm bringing the pearl garland in at an angle, attaching it right next to the rim of our glass vase. This creates that special look that you see in the inspiration picture. Here's a special tip. I actually cut the floral pins in half using my floral wire cutters so that they would fit more securely on the bottom and would not stick out. Our final step is to fill in any empty spaces with our little pink tea roses. In addition to that, this is an opportunity, if you choose to, you can add some vibrant pink pops that maybe you have in your bouquets. Well, Shantae, how did we do? I hope you love it as much as we do. This is going to be a gorgeous setting in your reception. In addition to that, these are the type of centerpieces that can line maybe your bridal aisle or your altar. So they're very versatile. You can use them at your wedding ceremony as well as your reception. In our picture, I just put some Dollar Tree tapered candle holders and candles just to pull it all together. I can see these lining a banquet table, or being a centerpiece on a round table. Either way, you can't go wrong. Well guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single Wednesday. And if you would like an extra special notification, please click on that little bell in the corner and you'll get a special notification the moment our videos are posted. In addition to that, if you would like to follow us on our social media, by all means do that too. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? They pay you to shop. It is so very simple. Just head down to the description, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and get paid at the end of the month. Don't forget to check out our digital download DIY planning guides on our MissPlanItShop.com. You can click right there in the corner to get there, or just go down to the description also. We have some fantastic planning guides. We are so excited about them. Many of you have already tried them out and have told us how much they have helped you, and for that, we are so appreciative. Thank you for giving us a shot. We have planning guides for your wedding, planning guides for your parties and events, and also even planning guides to help your maid of honor help you. Because we know we all need a little help when we're trying to bring our DIY visions to fruition. So go ahead and click right there and check us out and see how we can help you create the event or party of your dreams. As always, our time together goes by so fast. I want to thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if there is a question or a comment, go ahead and leave it right there in the comment section. I do answer the questions. It does take me a little while to get to them, but I promise you I will get to them. And I want to thank all of our community members that step in for me and give those little MissPlanIt tips, or even tips of your own. We have to work together and help each other. Make the events of our dreams, and so I just really appreciate that. Our community always helps each other out. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our website, MissPlanIt.com. We have so many planning just tips and blogs, and we have a free resource library there, just things there that I want you to have access to that don't cost anything. So go on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, check us out. That's also where you can submit a project request. In addition to the project request link is in the description also. Click on it, follow the very easy steps. I do tell you, submit your project request sooner than later, because our production schedule fills up so fast and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with us, because you have so many options on YouTube, and for you to take the time to hang out with us just means more than you can imagine. Thank you for your wonderful comments of encouragement. And with that being said, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care of yourself during this time. See you soon. God bless.